Samsung Galaxy S24 FE 5G. Flagship killer. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE 5G. Design, aesthetics and display technology. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE 5G showcases a sleek graphite finish with a premium bar design that balances elegance and durability. With water resistance, the device is built to last. At the center is a stunning 6.7-inch FHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, delivering vibrant visuals at 2340 by 1080 resolution. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth motion, while the 385 ppi pixel density provides crisp clarity, perfect for media streaming and immersive gaming. Processing power and performance. Powering the S24 FE is a Snapdragon processor clocked at 3.1 GHz coupled with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It is optimized for fast performance and multitasking. Gaming feels hyper-realistic, thanks to the enhanced vapor chamber that manages heat effectively. Running Android 14 out of the box, the phone also integrates Galaxy I, offering smarter and more intuitive assistance. Flagship-grade camera capabilities. The camera is a standout feature, featuring a versatile triple-lens system led by a 50MP main sensor. Supported by the ProVisual engine, it captures rich details even in challenging lighting conditions. The 10MP front camera ensures clear selfies, while Galaxy I Photo Assist allows creative enhancements. For video, the device records in stunning 8K resolution at 30 frames per second, rivaling flagship-level cameras. Battery life and charging. Fueling the device is a powerful 4700 mAh battery. It offers up to 28 hours of video playback or 81 hours of talk time on a single charge. While the official specs don't state the exact charging wattage, customer reports confirms support for 25W fast charging, ensuring quick top-ups when needed. Connectivity and security. As a true 5G device, the S24 FE supports the latest network standards along with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. It comes with dual nano SIM capability for flexibility. Security is seamless with an embedded fingerprint scanner, while GPS navigation is precise thanks to compatibility with Beidou, GLONASS, and Galileo systems. Customer insights and pricing. Customers consistently highlight the premium design, excellent display, and flagship-level camera performance. However, some note issues with heating and battery drain despite the efficient fast charging. Even so, the Galaxy S24 FE remains a strong value proposition, priced at just 33,249 rupees on Amazon India after a steep 45% discount from its original 59,999 rupees tag. This makes it a highly competitive option in the mid-premium smartphone segment.